Mm, those are absolutely delicious. Good morning, guys. So today we are making some banana pancakes, and these are the ingredients we will be using: vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cups of milk, teaspoon of sugar, pinch of salt, 1 egg, tablespoon of baking powder, oil, and butter, 3 tablespoons of butter. So butter is for flavor, the oil is going to be for moisture. That's why we use both. So let's get started. Oh, also there is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. How could I forget that? We need that. And a ripened banana. That banana was not ripened, but I put it in the microwave. You can put it in the microwave or the oven. Put it in the microwave or the oven and you'll have a ripe banana. So first, let's get started with the dry ingredients. This is the 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Teaspoon of the baking powder. 1 tablespoon of the sugar. And like I said, a pinch of salt. Now what you want to do is whisk all your dry ingredients together well. Then they're well. Set it to the side. Now we will work on our wet ingredients. 1 ripened banana, a medium to a large size banana. Then I'm going to mash that up a little bit. Then we're going to add in the 1 egg. Give that a whisk. Then we're going to add our 1 1/4 cups of milk. Your butter. You're going to add in your vanilla extract here. Give it a whisk. Now we're going to bring back in our all-purpose flour. Just make a well in the middle so you can pour your wet ingredients into that well. Gonna give it a mix. You can use your stand mixer. I chose not to pull mine out today. I'm just going to use the whisk. Slowly continue to add in your wet ingredients. Okay, that. Do my daggone shot and stop questioning me. Pour some maple syrup on these. Up.